Hello, everyone. Welcome to Chong Beyond's Kitchen. When you fry Chinese cabbage, you might just throw it in the pan, but that's a big mistake. Today, I will teach you a secret recipe that restaurants don't like to share. After using this method, your Chinese cabbage will be fragrant, crispy, and won't release excess water. Let's watch the video to see how it's done. First, prepare a Chinese cabbage. After removing it from the soil, cut off the root, then separate the leaves. As the saying goes, Chinese cabbage is better than Chinese cabbage, meaning its nutritional value is very high. So when it's cold, make sure to eat more of it. It's great for our bodies. Once you've prepared the cabbage, set it aside. Next, fill a basin with water, add a spoonful of baking soda and a spoonful of salt, and stir until dissolved. Place the cabbage leaves in this salt water solution to wash. Cabbage can harbor dirt, impurities, rotten leaves, and even small bugs, so it's essential to wash it thoroughly. The salt acts as a sterilizing agent, and the alkaline baking soda helps remove impurities effectively. Finally, rinse the cabbage under running water, drain, and allow it to dry in a basket. Place the cabbage on a chopping board and separate the leaves from the stalks. The stalks are thicker, while the leaves are tender. If you fry them together, the stalks won't cook evenly, and the leaves will turn mushy. Cut the stalks into small pieces to break down their fibers, making them tastier and easier to eat. After chopping, place everything in a large bowl. Now, add a spoonful of salt to the cabbage stalks and stir with chopsticks. Let it sit for 5 minutes to remove excess water. As for the cabbage leaves, prepare them so they cook smoothly and taste delicious. Set them aside as well. Prepare a few cloves of garlic, slicing them, and place them on a plate. Next, take some dried chilies, chop them, and set them aside. Skip this step if you don't like spicy food. To make the sauce, mix a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of chicken essence, a teaspoon of sugar, a spoonful of starch, a spoonful of light soy sauce, and a spoonful of balsamic vinegar. Stir everything well and set it aside. Now check the cabbage stalks. There may be excess water, so wash them to remove extra salt and then squeeze out the remaining water. Heat a little oil in a wok. When it's hot, add the garlic slices and dried chilies, stir-frying until fragrant. Add the cabbage stalks and stir-fry for about half a minute. Notice that the cabbage doesn't release water. Next, add the cabbage leaves and stir-fry until they soften and cook through. A key tip here, don't add salt while stir-frying, as it will make the cabbage watery and reduce its flavor. Making these videos isn't easy, so every like and comment motivates me. If you find my video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you for your support and encouragement. Once the cabbage leaves are tender, pour in the sauce. Turn up the heat and stir-fry quickly to help the cabbage absorb the flavors. Preparing the sauce in advance shortens the cabbage's cooking time, preventing excess water from releasing. And there you have it. The cabbage smells wonderful and looks very appetizing. Cooked this way, it won't be watery and will be full of flavor. The cabbage is tender and delicious, a simple stir-fry recipe you can try at home. If you like it, please like, follow, comment, and share.